Hi, in this video we are going to see the PhD admission notifications from the 11 central universities, guys, and really it will be the wonderful opportunity, and this video is very important to the candidates who are preparing for the or else looking for the PhD applications, guys. Okay, so why? Because here the total 11 universities are announcing the PhD admission notifications, and out of this one, few already the online applications are opened and few are yet to be opened. Okay, and the selection will be based upon the entrance test, or else for few candidates the entrance test is exempted and they can directly go for the interview. Okay, anyhow, please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the PhD admissions in the central universities. Okay, it will be very helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the central universities. And please give me one like also for this video, guys. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so we got this article from the Still Outlook website, guys, and here you may check down the list of central universities where the PhD admissions open. So in this video I'm going to show you the in brief details regarding all the 11 central universities, and if you want any one of the university in details means what are the different subjects are there, and what is there any age limitation, and whether the fellowship is provided or not, and only PG candidates can able to apply or not, or else UGC NET candidates also. UGC NET qualification must be there. And while coming to the written test, is there any exemption for the UGC NET assistant professor only, or else UGC NET JRF candidates only? There is an exemption for the written test. So to know all these details, whatever the university you want to know, so please put the name of that university in the comment section, guys. Then definitely I will come up with the next video regarding the complete details whatever you want regarding that one. Of course, out of these 11 universities, few universities I already did in my channel, so you may refer those one, guys. Okay, if you did not gone through my previous videos, then no problem. Whatever the university, the details you want to know, just put that university name in the comment section. Then I will come up with the next video regarding the complete details regarding the PhD admission in that particular university. Fine. And coming to the name of the main list of the 11 universities, or first one is University of Hyderabad, and here you may check down the last date for the application form, that is 20th July, and Maulana Azad National Urdu University 12th July, Rajiv Gandhi University 30th June, and Mizoram University 20th July, Jamia Millia Islamia University 30th June, Sikkim University 1st July. Apart from this one, here the Central Sanskrit University, South Asian University, Nalanda University, JNU University, and the Aligarh Muslim University. Fine. So these are the things, guys. And out of all these 11 universities, coming to the Jawaharlal Nehru University, this notification has to be released by the National Testing Agency, but not yet released. Okay, just only e-prospectus is released. So regarding the e-prospectus also, I already did one video. Okay, we are all waiting for the NT online application for this JNU. Whenever it is released, then I will immediately come up with the next video in my YouTube channel, okay, to get you notified immediately. Fine. And coming to the University of Hyderabad, it is announcing total 2,328 seats for all the courses, nothing but different PG as well as the PhD, and out of this one there are 292 seats or vacant seats are there for the PhD program. Okay, so here the admission programs are MSc, MTech, MBA, MA, MPhil, and PhD, integrated MSc, PhD, and others. Coming to the Maulana Azad National Urdu University, it is also announcing for the PG, PhD, UG, and diploma programs for 2021 to 22. Okay, so here it is, online applications are invited, guys. So you may check down, and admissions through the entrance test. Fine. And coming to the PhD programs, Urdu, English, Hindi, Persian, Translation Studies, Women Studies, Public Administration, Political Science, Social Work, Islamic Studies, History, Economics, Sociology, Education, Journalism and Mass Communication, Management, Commerce, Mathematics, Physics, Chemistry, Botany, Zoology, and Computer Science. Fine. And the next one is Rajiv Gandhi University, Itanagar announces the admission 2021 for PhD, PG, and the UG programs. Okay, so here also the admission is happening through the entrance test. Fine. So of course, definitely there might be exemption for the UGC NET JRF or the CSIR NET JRF qualified candidates. But if you want to know the details, you may go through the official website of this one, or else after going through the official website also, if you want to know any few points or any queries are there, put those points or queries in the comment section, guys. Okay. The last date is 30th June. Next one is Mizoram University. Okay, so the last date for online application is 20th July 2021. So from the Mizoram University, just recently 3 days back, we got the notification regarding this one. That is on 26th June 2021. So still the last date is there. So please check out the details in the official website of the Mizoram University. Fine. And coming to the next one is Jamia Millia Islamia announces the UG, PG, BTech, PG diploma programs as well as the PhD also. Okay, so you may check down, guys. And date of issuing the cards is 15th July. The last date is 30th June. So the candidates who did not apply and interested in this university, so please hurry up. Tomorrow is the last date. And JNU just announces the admission procedure and the e-prospectus, guys. So right now there is no online application form released by the National Testing Agency. So NTA will soon announce the JNU examination details. And coming to the Sikkim University, so online application opens on 1st July. Okay, close on 31st July. That means not yet open the online application form. So whenever it is open, 1st July onwards, it is going to be opened, guys. So to get the more details, please visit the official website. And the Central Sanskrit University, Delhi. So B.Ed, M.Ed and PhD programs. And the university is conducting the following different tests, guys. Okay. And the starting date of online registration already started on 15th May 2021 onwards. Next, South Asian University, New Delhi. It is reopened. Actually, the last date was over, but again reopened the admission portal for the PG and PhD program. So you please check out. Next one is Nalanda University. Okay, so whoever the candidates applying for the Nalanda University, all applicants need to demonstrate a high level of competence in the English language, especially as all the courses will be conducted in the English, and the English language test scores of TOEFL, IELTS, TOEIC, PTE, STEP are accepted. These scores are also accepted here. That means if you don't have this course, no problem. But if these scores are there, then it will be very good. And generally, these scores are accepted by the foreign universities. Okay, but Nalanda University is also accepting the scores in this examinations. The last one is Aligarh Muslim University. So here also the admissions were open. So candidates should refer the exact admission notification from the official websites, guys. Okay. So total these are the 11 universities. As I already told you that please visit the official website of this individual university. Okay, whatever you are interested. Or else if you are having still doubts regarding any one of the point or the university, then please mention in the comment section. I will clear your doubts, guys. Fine. And please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science, and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things you may decide, and please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.